Welcome to our digital haven, where we unlock the secrets of the internet, one tutorial at a time. Today, we're diving into a question that puzzles many creators. How do you make your YouTube videos private, whether you're safeguarding your content or sharing memories with just a select few? We've got you covered. YouTube offers 3 privacy settings: public, unlisted, and private. Public videos are available to everyone. Unlisted videos are invisible in search results, but can be accessed by anyone with the link. Private videos, however, are your digital treasures, viewable only by you and the people you choose. Now, let's walk through the steps to privatize your video. First, navigate to YouTube and sign in. Click on your profile picture, then select YouTube Studio. In the left panel, click on Content. Find the video you wish to make private. Click on the video to open its details. Look for the Visibility section on the right. Click on the pencil icon, select Private, then Save. To share your private video, go to the Details page of your video. Under the Visibility tab, click Share Privately. Enter the email addresses of those you wish to grant access to, then click Done. And there you have it, your guide to making YouTube videos private. Remember, privacy is power in the digital world. Use it wisely to control who sees your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating, sharing, and protecting your digital footprint.